Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. The winner's mindset. 7 things coming at you here. The first one on the winner's mindset is a can-do attitude. Better fucking believe it. You gotta be able to believe in what you're doing. Limiting beliefs out the fucking door. You gotta have enabling beliefs. You're passionate about what you want to do. You love the thing that you're gonna do. That's another key aspect here. Number 3, you have gratitude. You're grateful for your life. You're grateful for everything in your life, and you're grateful for all the people that are in your life and all of the things that you're able to accomplish. Number 4, you will assist others. This is huge because if you're on a winner's mindset, and the thing is winners make other people better. Make other people better. Dang it. Number 5, this is huge as well. No envy. If you have friends or you have acquaintances who are being successful or have reached a level of happiness in their life, or they've achieved something, they've graduated from college, or they got a promotion at work, never be envious. Be happy for their success. That builds that intrinsic value in your soul. It's really important to understand that. Never carry envy is like the black mark in your heart, and it'll fuck you up over and over and over. Get rid of it. Don't worry about what the Joneses are doing or what the fuck they're driving or any of that bullshit. Doesn't matter. And number 6, self-confidence. You got to be able to stand in front of a camera every fucking morning and let your heart out. And number 7, you got to have a forgiving heart. Never carry a grudge. Give people the benefit of the doubt, and you will be great, okay? Have a forgiving heart. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Remember, website. You need a session with me, half an hour freebie. Go to the website, TomMassShow.com, hit the contact box. We'll do a Zoom session. We'll talk. We'll be a friend, and things will be better. Have a great day, everybody. I'm Papa Tom. Love y'all. Peace out.